Hey everybody and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to swap Solana to Ethereum on Coinbase Wallet. Really easy. First head over to your Coinbase Wallet, make sure that you're on your account, click on this swap option, and then you can see we are going to be needing to add our basically wallet here. So you can simply click on receive crypto and stuff like that. So that is going to be helping you to simply get your account credited. But in case you want to simply convert your assets, you can use maybe the conversion option. We have swap in here that is going to be only available once you have your wallet adjusted, but you can head over to your browser of your choice, and there you are going to be simply searching for Coinbase Wallet convert. And once you do that, you can see we are directed towards their conversion section. Now of course it is going to be free of cost as well, and you can convert it using the official link and platform. So yeah, you can use any of these things to head over to their conversion screen, and that will be helping you to choose the assets, like for example from Solana to Ethereum on Coinbase Wallet. I currently do not have those assets. So yeah, pretty easy. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below.